Good morning guys! So I started off my morning by testing out the ironing sheet that I got from yesterday, and it turned out really well because my crumply top looks so good after. This is so useful. So it's the weekend and I get the weekend off and I'm heading to Osaka and Kobe today. Escaping the island once again! Yay! I had to stand but got a seat after. So this is the lunchbox that I got at the station, and I also got non-sugar tea. Arrived Rinko outlet after a while and did some shopping. Went to Kobe after that, and I was running really late, so this was me being frustrated on the train. So I think I had to catch the monorail from Sandomia station into where the fireworks was at. It was at the pier. As you can see, I was running really late. The event started off with me still being on the monorail, so I had to run like crazy to where the event was held at. I was gonna meet up with my Japanese friend Sarah, but we had a really hard time communicating with each other because Kobe is so big and I wasn't familiar with Kobe. But the fireworks that I witnessed at the pier was beautiful, and I would really like to share it with you guys. So enjoy! We managed to catch up in the end, and her boyfriend and her dropped me back after, which was really nice. So I usually crash at a manga cafe when I have 2 to 3 hours to spare before sunrise, and this is just me showering up and changing for the night. They provide heaps of food and drinks, and it's so safe and clean as well. So this is Shinjaibashi, guys. I really love this part of Osaka. Always come here to enjoy food and catch up with friends. So since most stores weren't open, I just headed to the Disney store first. So I'm at this eyelash place and they have so many types of like curls and stuff else. It's really cool. Like there's like a C curl and like a different volumes and stuff, and yeah, it's gonna be so fun. Can't wait. So the place I went to is called Fim Ann in Shinjaibashi. Service was professional and I liked it. So I ended up getting really natural curls since I was going to be on the island for a while. I was searching everywhere for a nails place and I found one, so I did a quick mani-pedi. So I had to catch the taxi to go for my hair appointment as I was running late. Getting my treatment done, I like how they put like this little thing here, like a plastic at my ear, so my ears can get coloured and stuff. Oh my god, so I had like the most hectic day today. Went to get my hair done and my lashes done and my nails done, and I'm so happy that everything's all done and completed. Managed to catch the bullet train back so that I can catch the last bus back to the island. So thank god everything's done. I'm going to be having my dinner right now, so I got eki bento again. I swear to god, these are like the best things ever. I love these meals, just chicken and rice, something so simple with my vitamin C water. So the next day I had bread, natto and tomato juice for breakfast. So I'm going to be riding the bike today again, and we're going to be heading to the shops for some grocery shopping, getting my lunch and dinner, and then heading back to get ready for classes and stuff. So I started at 3 today and I have 6 classes to teach. So it'll be really fun. I just have to get out the plan out and everything. But yeah, I'm hungry so I'm going to get food first and then fuel up myself and then teach. So I stocked up on more groceries, but lucky for me I found a bike with a really big basket. One thing I like about the island is that it has amazing views of the sea, so cycling past this place every day makes me feel so relaxed. So this is what I got: Yakult with tomato bread, with tomato juice, drinks, nattos, got pickled cucumber as well, and some kind of Japanese dessert, and also chicken gizzards, noodles, tomatoes and salad. So that's my lunch, guys. Gizzard with cucumbers, noodles and also natto and my little drink.
So natto is a traditional Japanese food made from soybeans that has been fermented. It's very healthy and I really love it.
So I was teaching 2-year-olds before with like this alphabet chart and like A, apple, and she's like apple. I'm like, oh my god. And then I was like B, banana, and she's like banana, and I'm like, ah, my god, I'm gonna die. She was so cute, so shy at the start, but after that she started to warm up when I was like peach, and she's like peach, and I'm like, oh my god, I can die now. So I really like the little girl. Oh my god, 2-year-olds are so cute. And then I had like a 5-year-old, I think. Was it 5 or maybe 4? He was really smart. Like I was like, what's your shirt? Like what color is your shirt? And he was like, reddo. And I'm like, no, it's not reddo, it's red. And he was like, red. And I'm like, okay, what's this bottle color? And he was like, yellow. And I'm like, not yellow, yellow. And he's like, yellow. And I'm like, ah, really smart kid. So yeah, enjoying my teaching. I start again in 10 minutes, so yes, come back to me. Ganbatte.
So I received okonomiyaki from my boss. It's Japanese pancakes. After my classes, it was so good, and I ended the night by Skyping with my boyfriend. That's all for now, guys. Bye!